Hey guys, ever wondered if a word reads the same backward as forward? Well, that's called a palindrome. Let's dive into creating an easy Java program to check for it. In today's video, we'll learn how to write a simple Java program to check if a word or number is a palindrome. A palindrome reads the same forward and backward. A common example of a palindrome is the word madam. Whether you read it from left to right or right to left, it stays the same. Cool, right? To check if a word is a palindrome, we reverse the word and compare it with the original. If both are the same, it's a palindrome, else it isn't. Let me now guide you step by step on writing this code. The logic is simple, and it can even work for both words and numbers. Ready to jump in? Let's go! We're using a scanner to get user input. Then, we reverse that input using StringBuilder and check if the reversed version matches the original. Notice we also convert the input to lowercase, so madam and madam would both be palindromes. This makes it more user-friendly. Now you have a cool little program that checks if any word or number is a palindrome. Try it out and test with your own examples. Like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are also learning Java. Subscribe for more cool Java tips.